In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online even if you don't have any money. You can build up an income and then you can take those funds, put them into your pocket, or you can take those funds and compound them into other businesses so that you can get started making money online from home. I want to introduce you to Everve. This site here is a social media site where you get paid for doing tasks. Now, I've got an account with this just to try it out, and I started with it literally last night at about 12 o'clock last night. I did a few tasks to see how it works. I've earned 56 cents and I did 40 tasks. Well, I didn't actually do those tasks. I actually downloaded their Chrome extension app, and that does all the work for me in the background. As you can see, today it's earned me this when I've literally just switched it on to make this video. And I can connect it with Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Reddit. I haven't got a Reddit account, so I've got it connected to my TikTok account, my Twitter account, and my Instagram account. And it does tasks for me while I'm working on the computer. I don't have to be logged into this site. I have this browser like this that runs in the background, and you just leave that running along with the extension, and it will carry out some tasks for you. You can do the tasks manually. You can come here to the task categories. So it shows you here what they've got available. So they've got stuff to watch YouTube videos, stuff on TikTok and Twitter and Instagram. So you can do manual tasks as well. So it's a great little way to earn an income if you're starting out online and you haven't got any money to get started. So if you haven't got any money to get started, below this video, click the link. It's going to take you over to this page where you can sign in by clicking on this button at the top here, and you'll either sign in with one of your Gmail accounts or your Facebook account. You can get registered. It doesn't cost you anything, obviously, because this is what this video is about. For you to start making money online even if you don't have any money, and this is a great starting point. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.